Yawan jika bam yang plang festival kaban long ha ka atusan risau ha umsau man klenti shoban poi tersan bela penya da ka senjuk mau plang.
Katek Song Village Organisation Podjaud has Southwest Kasils District haka khat pratarik risau arja arpulai kelala ban yo ilaka junk office strike kam bat yakanik office lawan ban play do ba renekten lingdo tongkar MLA kamau kruat kumukong san. Hakani ka village organisation ki don khat pratali ki self help group banaki ne artali ki de ki iatreilang de ki brio ki badan jigduna ki dkhot man bat kawei pat ka de ki iatreilang de ki tymmen. Nalor ba renekten lingdo tongkar ki wei ki balai don lang hakade ki sngi ki gentop ya ki officer na ka National Livelihood Rural Mission ki noilam ka organisation ki dkhot jong self help group bat ki wei yakani ka office strike kam latay ka jinglot ka blong san lak tingka.
Kalau nggak masuk tenang banyak bak naya siapang ka jing iatrai kam 3 jam na galing gavio bangawan market bok Kyrwoh ya pi ka village organisation ha ka ba pinang la ban trai bah ikne lenti bakandan ke jingkiu jo ki SHG ha ka ba pinyo bon ki jingmotoy na ka sarkar ngasukwa ban perkenmau ya pi pai ba baro batongin kendo kini ki jinglet be ki ba harukom ha ka ba ngiting ban sim ya ki development ki ba wan na ka sarkar ki bon ba ki breu jo ngi akni ki dong ki kan ki barang don kita ke jinglet be ka banting ban sim ya ki development sarkar Ting bandang adhar bak kumne kumtai. So kilo baik ya kwa barong ya pi. Habakut juga ni. Pinyo i tak kajing nong sudah. Pinong yo i jing yo nong ai ruem ha kata kajing perkhat bakala. Hendrai kita ke perkhat bakala. Pinyo i tang kajing nong sudah. Ha ka baki jing toy lagi ban yo la sarkar. Kinom yo shu namar kum ya bod nanti ya ka ai ka bal baik la sarkar. Namar kata ni pensuruh ya pi ba. Bangin day banyak ting rumah dek baro. Kung kajat benriu ngira nong sibon nama kada ting be. Kung kajat benriu ngim day syuk banyak penbon kada si penting ki bom don nong rem nerito nong slor banyak sim merta bede don merta banyak bot ya kijing betha nak lega sokar na kam ta ka bet ka piang na ta ka roy ka par jong ni ki pai ba jong pi ki pai ba hi.
Andy, your wife has been sitting there. She has been ready for a while now. Go for the test, son.
I'm already watching the test, Mom.
Son, it is important to take this test at the earliest.
Mom, why do we need to rush? What will happen even if we're late to take the test?
Look, son. You see, that is why it is important to reach on time. Go.
Within the first 3 months of pregnancy, it is important for the mother to get tested for HIV in order to prevent the baby from getting infected with HIV, so that the mother and the baby can live a healthy and long life.
Earlier the checkup.
Healthy life confirmed.
Get yourself tested for HIV during your first pregnancy checkup.